Have you ever wondered what a compact SUV can look like when style, tech, and performance come together perfectly? Meet the 2026 Hyundai Tucson, a vehicle that's turning heads, redefining comfort, and packing features you didn't even know you needed. From the moment you see it, you know this isn't just any SUV. The 2026 Hyundai Tucson is a bold step forward in the compact SUV segment, blending style, technology, and performance in a way that appeals to both everyday drivers and car enthusiasts. From the moment you approach it, the Tucson makes a statement. Its front fascia is sharp and modern, featuring a wider, more aggressive grille, sleek LED headlights that almost flow into the lines of the hood, and a sculpted bumper that gives it a confident stance on the road. Moving to the side, the 2026 Tucson shows off a more athletic profile, with strong character lines that create a sense of motion even when the vehicle is standing still. The rear design is equally impressive, with futuristic LED taillights, an integrated spoiler, and a wide stance that enhances its road presence. Available in several eye-catching colors, including deep metallic blue and premium silver, the Tucson definitely turns heads. Inside, the cabin is a perfect balance of comfort and technology. Hyundai has upgraded the interior materials, giving a more premium feel with soft-touch surfaces, optional leather upholstery, and ambient lighting that makes nighttime driving more enjoyable. The dashboard features a seamlessly integrated infotainment system with a large touchscreen display, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Physical controls are kept minimal but intuitive, so even those who are less tech-savvy can navigate them easily. The instrument cluster is fully digital on higher trims, offering customizable views that let you keep an eye on everything from speed to navigation. Passenger space is generous, with ample legroom and headroom in both the front and rear seats, making it perfect for long trips or family outings. The cargo space is also impressive for its class, with split folding rear seats that allow for flexible storage options. Under the hood, the 2026 Tucson offers multiple engine options designed to cater to different driving preferences. The base engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder producing around 187 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, for those seeking more efficiency, there's a hybrid variant that combines a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor, delivering strong acceleration while achieving excellent fuel economy. All-wheel drive is available for both the standard and hybrid models, providing extra confidence on slippery roads or light off-road trails. The suspension has been tuned for comfort and stability, offering a smooth ride in city traffic while maintaining composure during spirited driving. Steering is precise, making the Tucson surprisingly nimble for an SUV of its size. Hyundai has also packed the 2026 Tucson with safety and driver assistance features. Standard across most trims are lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. Higher trims add features like a surround view camera system, highway driving assist, and parking assist, ensuring both convenience and peace of mind. Another standout feature is the Tucson's advanced infotainment and connectivity options, including multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and even a heads-up display in certain trims, keeping drivers informed without taking their eyes off the road. What truly sets the 2026 Tucson apart is the combination of its design, technology, and versatility. It's not just about looking good or having powerful specs. It's about creating a vehicle that fits seamlessly into everyday life while feeling modern and capable. From city commutes to weekend adventures, the Tucson delivers a balanced experience that doesn't compromise on comfort, safety, or style. Whether you're someone who values efficiency, tech-savvy features, or just a bold design, the 2026 Tucson has something to offer. In conclusion, the 2026 Hyundai Tucson is more than just a compact SUV. It's a well-rounded package that combines striking design, practical interior space, advanced technology, and dependable performance, with multiple powertrain options, a refined driving experience, and a suite of safety features. It's a vehicle that appeals to a broad range of drivers. If you're looking for a stylish, versatile, and feature-packed SUV for 2026, The Tucson deserves serious consideration.